Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back. You're connected with Flavors and Knowledge, the podcast. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. In this episode, let's explore together the art of frying food. Frying is a popular method that involves submerging food in hot oil or fat until it is cooked through and crispy. There are two main types of frying: shallow frying and deep frying. Shallow frying involves cooking food with little oil in a pan over medium to high heat, and this method is often used for chicken, fish, and vegetables. To shallow fry, you may follow these steps that I'm suggesting. Bring the temperature to 350 to 355 Fahrenheit, a small amount of oil in a frying pan over medium to high heat. Of course, choose an oil that has a high smoking point. Add your food to the pan and cook it for a few minutes on each side until it is golden brown and crispy. I suggest using tongs or a slotted spoon to remove the food from the cooking pan and rest it on a paper towel lined plate to absorb the excess oil. Deep frying, however, involves utterly submerging food in hot oil or fat until it is fully cooked and crispy. And this method is often used for French fries, chicken wings, and donuts, and I was told even for turkey at Thanksgiving. And to deep fry, you may follow these steps that I'm giving you. Fill a large pot with oil or fat over high heat until it reaches the desired temperature, usually between 365 to 375 Fahrenheit. And carefully add your food to the hot oil, ensuring that it is fully submerged. You can cook the food for a few minutes until it is crispy to the bite and has achieved a golden shaded color. Then again, please use a slotted spoon or a wire mesh strainer when you remove the food from the oil and rest it on a paper towel lined plate to absorb the excess oil, exactly like on step 1. Always be careful when frying and never leave any hot oil unattended. Also dispose of used oil properly and never pour it down the drain or any sinks. And that is all for Flavors and Knowledge on a fried food lesson today. I hope it was to your interest. I will reconnect in the next round with another exciting topic. So, eat well and stay well. Ciao, ciao.